Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CAD Tutorials for Beginners to Advanced. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about some of the geometries in Creo Parametric Sketcher. So let's start with the new model here, create a new model, and we'll keep all this information as it is, and let's click OK. So now we are into the model, and then let's select the sketcher here, select sketch, and then here we need to select the plane where we want to sketch it. So let's select the sketch, and you see the orientation is the left. So you see this is from the right side, and if you select the left, then it will be on the left side. So based on that, just select I will keep it as a right side, and then click on the sketcher. So now here you can see there are different geometries available. So we'll see one by one. So if you see there are line types, there are rectangle, the different rectangle types, different circles, then different arcs here, same ellipse, fillets, then the sorry, I have just exited it. I'll just go back to the sketch again. Just select the sketch. Yeah, okay, I'm back into the sketch now. So let's create a line. So we have already seen this in our previous lectures. So line chain, so it's nothing but it's creating the lines. So we can create a different lines in chain, so that's why it's called as a line chain. Then there is a line tangent, so we'll see that whenever we'll add some circles here. Then we can add the rectangle, so corner rectangle. So if you see in the image here, so there are two corners, so we can create a rectangle with the two corners, so first corner and the opposite corners. So you can see the rectangle is created. Similarly, then the slanted rectangle. So for slanted, we can just provide a line here, and then you can create a rectangle. Then the next is center rectangle. So center rectangle requires a center, and then from center it will be created. So you can see that this is a center rectangle, this is a slanted rectangle, and then the last one, that is a parallelogram. So it will create a parallelogram. So you can see the lines are parallel. So this is nothing but a rectangle, different rectangle types. So let me delete this from here, and then create a circle. So first type is center and point. So just select a point here, and then it will create a circle. So again there is a weak dimension is automatically assigned by Creo. And then there is another type, that is concentric. So just click on it, so it will create a concentric circles. So just select arc. You can refer to these messages here, whatever the instructions are given for the particular commands we have chosen. So just select the arc here, and it will create a concentric circles. So multiple, we can create multiple concentric circle until we escape the command. So you can see the concentric circles are created here. The next is the 3-point circle. So again, if you see here, the image already shows us what is the command is about. So this is 3 points. So just randomly select the 3 points here, then it will create a circle for you. So this is nothing but a 3-point circle. So basically I will create some lines here, and we can create the 3-point circle here. Okay, so just select the circle, and then select the first point, select the second point, and then select the third point. So this is the benefit of 3-point circle. So it will create a circle with 3 points. And then the 3 tangents. So again I will just not delete this, actually I'm wrongly deleted. Okay, no worries. So I will create a 3 tangent. So now I need to provide 3 tangents. So I will keep first tangent, second and third. So this is first, this is second, and then this is third. So you can see the 3 tangent circle is created. That this T implies that this is tangent to this circle. The line is tangent to the circle. So these are all the circle types. So now let's see, this is the line tangent. So if you select this, and let's say I want to create a line which is tangent to this circle and this circle. So select this circle and then select this circle. So the line which is tangent to both the circle is created. You can see this with a T symbol here. T letter is shown here, which means this both the lines are tangents. So again, similarly we can create this here. Again, if you want to create the tangent from this circle to this circle, then that is also possible. So this is the use of line tangent command here. Okay, so now again I will just close this, then move to the next. This is the arc. So again, for arc I will create some lines here just for a demonstration purpose. Just escape it, and then the first arc will see this is a 3-point and tangent end. So 3-point means you just need to provide the 3 points here, the first, the second, and the third. Sorry, I think it's wrongly done. So here, oh sorry, I need to escape this. Control Z, create a arc here. Just select this point, the second one and the third one, and then you can create a tangent over here. Sorry, arc here. Sorry, this is going to be wrong here. So again I will select the arc here. Just select the 2 points and we can simply create the arc out of it. This is not a complicated one. Okay, so the second one is the center and 2 ends. So let's select the center here. Let's say if I want to select the circle center here, then the first point and the second point. So in this way you can simply create the second die, that is center and ends. Then 3 tangents. So here you need the 3 tangents here. So just select the first one, select the second, and then maybe you can try this one. So this will become tangent out of these 3. So to make it more understand, let me create one simple here, and now let's try this. Just select this, select the second, and select the third. So you can see the arc is created tangent to this three tangents, or 3 lines we can say. So this is the 3 tangent one. Then concentric one. So again for concentric I will just delete this, and then I will create one more just simple, and then I want to create a concentric arcs here. Then select a concentric here, and then select, and then you can create multiple arcs, different sizes, different offsets. You can provide it. You need to just provide the dimensions here. Escape it, and you can just provide the dimensions. Let's say 600, and it will become 600. So like this we can create a concentric arcs here. And then conic. So for conic again, this is we can create this different conic arcs for different purposes. So these are the different types of arcs we have seen already. And again, let me delete this, and we'll create different now ellipses here. So there are 2 types of ellipse. First one is axis ends ellipse. So you can see there are 2 ends of the axis. So just provide those, select the first axis, select the second axis, and then provide this width. So it will create a ellipse. So So again, you can simply provide the dimensions whatever you want, and then here also just provide these dimensions, let's say 300, and then it will create the lock dimensions now, because we have the settings selected in file, in options, in sketcher, and here you can see the lock user define different dimensions setting is selected here. So let me cancel this. So that's why it is showing up as a lock dimensions. If you hover over it, you will see locked inside the curly brace, the braces one. Now the second type of ellipse is center and axis ellipse. So here we need to provide one center and one axis end. So let's select this as a center, and you will see this is the axis, and then select one end and just provide the width here. So simply we can provide the dimensions to these as well. This is the ellipse. The next is the spline. So just select the spline here, and then you can create a different splines based on the requirements. So these are the different geometries we can use in Creo Parametric sketcher. So we can so we have covered all these, let's say this one, these 6 types of geometries we have covered, and in the next tutorial we are going to discuss about the different sketching operations here, then the offset and thicken we will see. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for such more videos. Thank you so much.